Hey everyone, how's it going? Nice dudes, how's it going TP? How are tricks buddy? Yeah, I've been done for the day now. I just finished off before jumping on, took a tick and then we just switched to sim in case we press any buttons here. Um, but yeah, pretty, I would say to be honest, I didn't really trade that much today, to be honest with you. If we run over the tens, so we'll full screen this and we can just run over it. So this is essentially the gap that was left between overnight session and regular trading hours. We have essentially, and this is the sort of back of value. So last week's value area is where this white line is. The market's just pressed into it, and then we're essentially now filling out this area. I traded. I think I took three trades today, and ultimately ended up with three ticks. In today's market, so not really the best, to be honest with you. You still trading, dude? Nice. Well, we're going to jump into the ES and stuff in a second. But pretty straightforward day. One thing that I'm really pleased about was at least my reads today. As when you get hosed, like a day, when you get hosed on a day like yesterday, where essentially I was buying here, looking to get back into value, and then essentially have a break of the high and low for today's numbers. But basically yields come in a bit weaker today on the GDP and job number prints, and then we've essentially went bid. We essentially went bid, sort of back up into the range. So relatively straightforward day, and it's one of these days where if you were continuing to sell today, you just got hosed. If we run back now onto the treasuries, where we can see, so let me just drag this down a little bit. So we'll put this is the overnight highs here and the overnight highs here. So the market was consolidating between overnight high and overnight low, where the volume was traded out. The market was probably trading round about 31s and probably I think 22s when the news came out. We then broke the highs and the market pulled back and I essentially went bid. We then dumped and I ended up getting out for basically a tick. And then the market just went straight bid. So a little bit, it was a little bit early on basically trying to lift into the offer. Then the market just went straight bid. So I'm quite looking forward to the weekend, to be honest with you. Hi Nico, buddy. Quite looking forward to the weekend. I think I'm not. This week's been challenging, considering yesterday getting hosed. And when I have days like that where I hit my personal loss, the next day I tend to take it a little bit easier, to be honest, just to reflect. Because typically when you're having days like that, you're either you've been reading the market wrong, or you've been stubborn, or whatever the case may be, right? So really not at a time when you're trading like that in order to put your capital at risk. So that was why I took today a little bit easier. But then when I'm trading like that, I look forward to the weekend to try and just to try and take it easy, to be honest. But relatively decent day. We took a little small chunk out of the market today, so happy days. And obviously now treasuries is not gonna do anything. This is the point of control now for today. We're just gonna basically probe below here. I just can't see us massively filling out this liquidity down here, considering we've got some up here as well. And just so you guys are aware, this is the 5s, this is the 10s, the 30-year bond, and the ultra. So how's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? What's been happening? Did you guys trade at all today? Let me bring up. Let me just bring up our normal deck, and then we'll close these off. Give me a second. Why is this? Oh, nice. Computer freezing. Ah, that's the first time this has happened. Very bad day for you, trader boy. Yeah, it happens, dude. The hard market for some reason. I don't know why. You know, it is summer months and stuff. Sierra is having a nightmare at the moment. Let me try and close some of this down. Right, there we go. Hallelujah. We're even Sierra's tired, you know. Oh God. So, anyways, what trades have you been taking, Trader Boy? Basic varying extremes up to a point. Oh, I thought he said it was a bad day. Sorry, it's a very busy day for you. Sorry, very good day. Yeah, exactly. So what's your thought process and how that works? It's basically, as a general view, if you try and stop traders out, um, have a good view. But I'm going to need to restart Sierra here because this is not working. Excellent. Task manager. Sierra. Afternoon, dude. How's it going? Yes, it's been well. No, yeah, 100% with all that data points coming out, right? 100%. Right. Okay, right. Let me open. In fact, I'm going to close this because it's quite a heavy load on the old. Plus, I'm streaming as well. So we'll close and then let's open up our ladders. Even Sierra's been tired for me, guys. One of those days. OrderFlow is definitely key. Living the dream, dude. That's what I like to hear, man. You took 2 trades today on MES. Nice. Right, if this doesn't sort itself out in like 2 minutes, I'm gonna have to basically restart the stream or something because this never happens. Which is weird. Very weird, actually. So have you guys all been trading ES today? Either trading any form of NQ or whatever? Nice. I'm dying here to look at the charts, but it looks like there's been a massive range today with quite good ranges, to be honest. I'm very surprised this is why this is not loading here. Okay, give me 2 seconds to go and basically sort this out because I can't really discuss the market if I can't see it. Because like this is not loading. This is crazy. Okay, give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll need to restart the stream and stuff. technical difficulties coming in here. Right, I'll be 2 minutes. I'll restart.